Hi my friend, how are you? Look, would you like to know what you can do with few simple ingredients but fresh, amazing, and made from scratch from this crazy man? Look at, if you have this beautiful filone bread made with 50% wholemeal flour, if you have this, if you have your cheesy sauce that I have shown you in several videos how to do that, and I show you already how to do the filone bread, if you have a couple of eggs, and if you have garlic, rosemary, and if you have this beautiful guanciale, or you can have streaky bacon or bacon if you want, but this guanciale is amazing, or prosciutto di Parma. Okay, with these few beautiful ingredients, man, let's keep going, watch the video and see what you can do. And of course, a small barbecue, not expensive, just a small barbecue. And hello beautiful people, how are you today? Look, I'm just wake up and I got my coffee here. I'm wondering what we can do if we have just few ingredients and we want to make a fun lunch. And look at what I've got. I've got this my beautiful wholemeal half and half, wholemeal sourdough half and half. I've got this beautiful guanciale from Italy. I've got this beautiful cheesy sauce, bechamel with a lot of cheese inside. I've got rosemary, I've got garlic, rosemary, garlic, and I've got a few eggs. So let's see. And my barbecue is hot. And let's see what we can do with this couple of ingredients. Beautiful. Let's see. Let's start. So first of all, we need to sharpen our knife. So we can use several methods. Okay. Today in Scotland is very windy. Very windy. But it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Okay, so here, let's see how we can cut this bread. We cut this bread in this way. Okay. And what I'm gonna do, I want the smell of the garlic. I really want the smell of the garlic. Okay, like this. Beautiful. And then what I go, I'm gonna on top of my grill like this, and I make it nice. Meanwhile the bread is there. Okay, meanwhile the bread is there, I'm gonna put a touch of olive oil. I'm gonna chop in this pot. I'm gonna chop a few leaves of rosemary. Okay, I'm gonna chop the rosemary inside. And and I'm gonna smash the garlic like this. Okay, beautiful. Look how beautiful. And nice coffee. And I'm gonna put some pepper. And I forgot the salt. I coming back. So let's check the bread. The bread like this is good. Look how beautiful is this bread. Got my olive oil and garlic like this. Okay, olive oil and garlic. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my cheesy sauce. I'm going to put my cheesy sauce on top like this, on the bottom, on both sides in this bread. And will be not easy, it's a big mess, but it's possible. No, it's just fucking big mess. Maybe not. maybe no. So then we take the guanciale and we slice the guanciale thinly. We put the guanciale on top of the and like this, and as soon as the guanciale is reach the hot surface, is start to melt it. As you can see, the lard, the fat start to melt. We have also a nice mushroom, okay, like this, and we go with the mushroom on top of our beautiful yolk in this way. Okay, so look at what we have now. Now we have beautiful fresh mushroom with cheesy sauce, this beautiful bread that is beautiful and nice and soft and crunchy, okay, and we have this beautiful guanciale. You can use bacon, pancetta, but look at this beautiful guanciale. Okay, switch off the barbecue now. Switch off the barbecue in the sprinkle, okay, on top of this beautiful filone, your pepper. Look how beautiful. Put it again, another touch of salt, and then you can close. Look how beautiful, and then you need a bread knife, and then you need, and look at what you do, and look what you get here. Look what you get. Beautiful, hot, soft in the middle, crunchy outside. To cut it, and here you have, my friend, you have this beautiful filone sandwich bread. It's so tasty, so gorgeous. Now if you want to make it a little bit more tasty, sexy, you can brush all around this beautiful taste of extra virgin olive oil. It will make your sandwich more shiny, will make more sexy, and also will give the taste of extra virgin olive oil, more taste of extra virgin olive oil. And here you have this beautiful baguette. You have this beautiful sandwich made from scratch, hot on the barbecue, with your beautiful guanciale melted, or use anything you want, Parma ham melted nicely with the cheesy sauce. It's so tasty, so beautiful. Hi my friend, I just finished to edit this video, and a few more ideas coming up to add rocket or even Parma ham or some blue cheese, and so I'm going to do another video with this one is proper, is thought, and all the ingredients will be selected and will be nice. So this baguette that I made, that was very tasty. I have had one piece and then I shared with my neighbor. was beautiful, tasty, but from that, and meanwhile I was edit the video, I say, oh wow, you know what, can be much better. So I will link the next video after this one, and stay tuned, keep in touch, and please subscribe and help me grow this channel that I'm committed to share all my knowledge for free here, always, from now on. Keep in touch. Ciao. Stay positive with your mind. It's Corona time, so stay positive with your mind. Ciao.